Indian summers are definitely not for the weak hearted. It is very hot today, and there's a wind. You can see the leaves of the trees are moving, and this is a rural setting. This is Indian countryside, Indian village side, and the sky is very clear, even though there are low pressures and there's supposed to be rainfall, but right now it's all very beautiful, very clear. And if somebody is not cribbing about how hot it is, which is hot, I mean, we can't help it, uh, it's somewhere there's a beauty to it. At least I can see it. There's a beauty to this, this completely lit up landscape, and of course juicy fruits all ripe in the trees. We can see the mangoes here, um, all beautiful, and it's very pleasant in the countryside actually, with so many trees around, and you can see the sky looks really, really nice. So once the heat subsides, you can see the roads are almost empty. It is empty except for a few bikes and some other vehicles, cycles and all going by. But when the sun goes down, people will be on the streets. And today is the bazaar day here. It's called Hat Bar, and people are going to throng the streets and go for their daily needs, grocery needs, fish, vegetables, etc. So this road scene, the street scene is going to change. But all in all, very beautiful and pleasant. And if you can enjoy the heat, which I am, thanks to this gust of wind, it's really pleasant. Somewhere there's a beauty to summer. There's a beauty to summer, beauty to this very beautifully lit up landscape.